Let's begin with the live demonstration. So here is the whole attack flow. The most important part of the whole attack is Cloudflare Workers. Basically, Cloudflare Workers provides a serverless platform which comes with a workers.dev URL, right? And you can also deploy custom JavaScript on that. So let's quickly go to Cloudflare dashboard and create a worker by simply clicking on create worker. I will name it something more trustworthy like login. Yes, so now our URL looks like this login.microsoftonline.workers.dev, which is pretty trustworthy. Like most people will not find it suspicious at first glance, and honestly, who looks twice? So yes, and I have already configured my subdomain as Microsoft Online. You can change your subdomain from Cloudflare as well, which is another advantage of Cloudflare. So let's quickly jump to the worker and edit the code there. I already have my code on my GitHub, so I'll just copy it and paste it into my worker. So basically what this code does is it works as a reverse proxy between Microsoft login page, the official page, and the victim. And we are not setting up a custom phishing page on a particular different URL here. We are just proxying the official URL. So everything, the data, the 2FA, OTP, everything will be sent to the Microsoft official URL only. We are just observing it being in the middle of the attack, right? So let me quickly fix some syntax error here. And yeah, I think it's done. And now next we have to add our Slack webhook URL right here, so our worker can send data to our Slack app. And deploying is a good option, so you can check if there is an error or not. This is my Slack. I have created one AiTM serverless profile. And now next we will create an application in Slack webhook. So I have already created a workspace and a group. Now let's create an application. My group name is AiTM serverless and channel is give me password. So we'll simply click on create an app from scratch. Let's name it something like phishing URL or phishing app, and workspace is already created. Let's select that and our app is created. Next up we have to create a incoming webhook so our worker can send data using that webhook URL. So simply go to incoming webhook. Let's enable. It takes some time to enable. Yes, it is enabled. Let's add a new webhook. Here we will have to select a channel, which we will select give me password and allow, and I think our webhook URL is created. Now the work is very simple. Just simply copy the URL and paste it into the worker on the webhook variable. So here I have pasted my webhook URL right here, and now let's redeploy it and done. The setup is done. Now let's open the URL, the worker URL from here, and as you can see it loads exactly like the Microsoft official URL because it is official. We are not deploying some fake page here. It is coming directly from Microsoft only, right? So let's log in with one of the demo accounts, one of the account I have created for the demo, which is this, and I have a password as well. So we'll simply enter the email, click on next, then we will have to enter the password. This is the password we have. Just simply paste it here and continue with the sign in. and we'll skip the rest of the flow here. I don't think any of this is necessary as of now. So yeah, I think we are done with the login part here. And now if I go to my Slack, you can see I have received the cookies here. Let's quickly go to the official Microsoft login URL in a private window to verify if this cookie actually works or not, if our attack head is working or not. So let's quickly open developer tools and manually add the stolen cookies here. Basically, Microsoft uses two authentication cookies, ESTS auth persistent and ESTS auth. So we will add both of cookies and their value in our browser. So the ESTS auth persistent is added, and next up same with the ESTS auth as well. So here is ESTS auth. Let's just add it, add the value, simply copy and paste. Yes, I have added both the cookies and their values. Now let's just simply refresh the page to check if it is working or not. And yeah, boom, we are in. We are logged in as user whose credential we stole recently.